Good morning, everybody. It's Hari Swaminathan. Thursday morning, October 10th, around 7:57 a.m. Now, the futures are up big today. One would think that they have a deal in Washington, but that's not the case. It's just a rumor. So we don't know if this thing is going to last. I'm not sure why it's up so much. You would think that if there's a deal, it can be up 14 points, but that's not the case. Let's take a look at Apple first. What we can do today is you can see that the bull puts are doing very well. We'll bring the bull puts in. Also, what we can do is to move the 500 short call over to the 505. So basically, what we'll do is do a roll by for one strike. So let's see how Apple opens. Then next we have Costco actually did very well yesterday. They did okay on the revenue, but they missed on the earnings per share, but it was a pretty decent amount. And actually Costco went up $2, and you can see now our position is coming back. We do have a lot of time on this, so I think holding it for another couple of weeks, we might get another $2 bump in Costco, and that should take it into the profit. So we'll leave Costco as is. FedEx went down yesterday, but you can see it's up in the pre-market. We are between 105 and 125. I think that's fine. Gold, we should be able to cash in today. It's down a little bit, but our the short strangle expires tomorrow. So, and there's still quite a bit of premium in that. So, if we can capture that, then I think we are already doing quite well on the gold because of all the we've moved the shorts around. So we are over the last three adjustments, we are looking at my journal, we are up about 16 plus 9 minus 7, totally about 2200 on this. But of course we are so the position is still showing 2170 loss. So basically we are even on the trade as of now. Some of these trades have become difficult to calculate in terms of what has happened, and that is due to, well, we've been moving things around because the markets are moving quite a bit. So we have to I think between today and tomorrow we'll need to get some control on these positions. Yesterday we added 5 extra calls on the 865. So you can see now that's that's there, but Google is looking to be up in the market again. So we'll see what to do. I think we can convert this into a butterfly. That would make sense. HLF also seems to be in the middle so far, so it's okay between 60 and 65. That's where it is. We'll leave that one alone. MasterCard is fine. It's right, stays right in the middle. And Netflix is, I think, moving today. Let's see here. Yeah, Netflix is up again, $8. But let's see how it all opens, because once it opens, then we'll decide what to do. I think one of the things we can do is bring the bull puts in on Netflix. And if there is a deal in Washington, then obviously stocks are going to go up. But as of now, it's only a rumor, and therefore, we don't quite know what what the deal is. Tesla is up also $4 in the pre-market. So let's see how everything opens up, and we'll take a call on these trades. Thanks. There's I just wanted to finish off. There's one stock that I think we need to take action right away, and that's Netflix. It's up quite a bit in the pre-market. As it stands, let's see what we have. Let's look at the risk profile for Netflix. There's something wrong there. Okay, yeah, let's take this out. All right, so that's what we have. And so, there's two things we need to do with Netflix. As you can see, the bull put will be doing very well. We can take it off. We can bring it in to around 285, 280. Okay. And what we also want to do, this is the more important adjustment for Netflix. So let's see, on my size, I have a 40 on the 300, 305. Okay. Now, what we want to do is to try to construct a butterfly at the 300 strike level. So a butterfly has two short strikes in the middle strike, and then long on one side, and then another long on the other side. So basically, to convert this bear call into a butterfly, what we would need to do is to buy a vertical. So we would buy the 295 and sell the 200. So let's go take a look at what that looks like. On the call side, if we buy a 295 and we buy a vertical, and let's see here, and 295 and sell the 300, That way you can capture, if there is any upside, the 295 call will work. So I have a 40 size, so we need to do 40, whatever size you have, whether it's 2 contracts, 3 contracts, 5 contracts, whatever, the same size. So you'll have a 40 and 80 and 40. That's how the butterfly. And so let's take a look at what that does. This is going to actually this is going to do good to our position, because first of all, remember, we'll be bringing this 260 into about 280, and once we did that, you can see that if Netflix expires anywhere between 305, but regardless, you can see the risk profile of this adjustment really puts us in a very good position. So as far as this trade is concerned so far, I mean, this would be the best adjustment for Netflix at this point. So I just wanted to add that in. Netflix is something we would need to take action right away at the open. So all the others we can see how they open and then take action. Thanks.